Hola mi gente, hello my beautiful people, it's Addie and I'm back again, and today I'm gonna show you how to make this beautiful Bratz look. I'm gonna call it the Bratz look with purple eyeshadow, and we're gonna go ahead and get started. It's time to look poppin'. Hot girl summer's coming up, yes. Numero uno, always remember to apply primer. It is very important for your skin. The one that I'm using in this video is the ColourPop Pretty Fresh Primer. It's one of my favorites and I definitely recommend it for all my beautiful peoples out there. And then I am going to go ahead and take care of my bushy eyebrows because you know I haven't gotten them done. Now that my eyebrows are under control, we're gonna go ahead and apply our concealer. Here I'm gonna take a flat concealer brush to apply my concealer, and then I'm gonna go ahead and use a dabbing motion just to spread it everywhere. After, I'm gonna take my egg and I'm gonna go ahead and finish blending it all out, that way it can look really even, and then we'll be ready for the main event. Now that our eyes are concealed and ready, with a blending brush, I'm going to start applying the Unicorn Tribe Purple Eyeshadow from the Alyssa Edwards palette. I love this palette. This is going to be my transitioning eyeshadow. When applying your eyeshadow, be sure to use a dabbing motion to pack down the amount of pigment you need. Once you get the amount of eyeshadow you want, you can start blending your eyeshadow using circular motions. This is going to definitely help your eyeshadow blend evenly. Remember here, blending is your BFF. Always remember that. I am going to use the flat shadow brush so that I can add more pigment, and then I'm going to go ahead and blend again. It's all about blending because I do want it a little bit more pigmented, so I'm just going to add more and then I'm going to blend in circular motions and repeat the process. Blending is your best friend here. Now that my eyeshadow is ready and poppin', we can go ahead and start outlining our eyes using the MAC eyeliner. This eyeliner is amazing and it's easy to work with too, so I really like that about it. But anyways, back to outlining our eyes. Here I'm going to start from the inner corner of my eye and work my way out to the outer corner of my eye. I want to make sure that my eyeliner is drawn above my eye crease. If it's not drawn above my eye crease or it's not high enough, then you won't be able to see it when you're looking up or while you're looking straight ahead or at someone. Just a tip to keep in mind. Once I get past the middle of my eye, I am going to curve my eyeliner and then create my wing. And honey, take your time. Another method is using dots as checkpoints to make sure you are on the right track when outlining your eye. I am going to add a dot close to my inner corner first, and then I'm going to add one directly on top of my eye crease in the middle, and then my third one is going to be diagonal from the center of my eye, and the last one is going to go out to where I want the tip of my eye wing to end. Once I'm satisfied with my outline, I'm going to go ahead and connect the dots. Once I get done outlining my eye, I'm gonna go over it to make it thicker and just to clean it up and make it look sharp, because we gotta look poppin'. And voila, this is our end result after touching it up and going over it. And our next step would be to go ahead and add a second shade of eyeliner, and here I'm gonna use a light purple. Using the NYX eyeliner is just going to give my look an extra pop. Just an extra color, doesn't hurt, but this is what I'm going to use. Let's not forget about your eyelashes. They make a big difference. They take you to a whole nother level. So let's go ahead and get those on. Yes. Once our eyes are done, we can start blessing our face by adding concealer, foundation, and blending it all in. First, I use a foundation brush, and then I use my blending egg to just go ahead and pat everything in, set it in, and just give it that finished touch. I'm also going to define some of my features by doing a little bit of contouring. I like to focus more on my cheeks, nose, and jaws to bring out my features and also to give me that slim look. After my whole contour and baking process, I'm gonna go ahead and apply my highlighter. Here I'm using the Skin Frost Lavender Snow highlighter from Jeffree Star. Ooh, when I tell you this highlighter be blessing my face, it blesses my face. The main places that I always apply highlighter to is at the inner corner of my eyes, my cheeks, upper lip, the bridge or root of my nose, and the tip of the end of my nose. And if you highlight these places, your face is gonna be blessed, shining bright, honey. Ooh, girl, look at your end result. You look like a whole Bratz doll. Well, this is the end of my video. I hope you all enjoyed it and picked up on some new techniques. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and follow me on social media for more. Also, don't forget to wear your face with confidence, girl. Get it. Bye.